This is your host and your tour guide, Jennifer Sparks. We're going to be hanging out in Atlantic City, New Jersey today. I'm going to go and see if I could go get a suite. Come join me and let's go bang our heads together. It is currently mid-October 2024 and the Hard Rock is starting to decorate for Halloween. My visit was midweek and it is currently 12 p.m. 12 o'clock is when the complimentary check-in starts, the early check-in. Anytime before that, there will be a fee. Close to check-in, you're going to find the lobby bar that is now currently the Haunted Manor. Hard Rock's Halloween party is scheduled for Saturday, October 26th. There will be haunted cocktails and prizes for best costumes. You can reserve a table on their website. Best overall costume will get a $2,000 Hard Rock gift card. Other prizes that will be awarded are a $1,000 Hard Rock gift card for best couple, scariest costume, most creative, and funniest. Anybody going to this? I would love to hear how it is. I'm not going to be in town, unfortunately. This is one of my favorite bars in all of Atlantic City. I love to come here and listen to live music. It's also one of my favorite spots to play video poker. It's always a fun time. Now I'm going to check in. I'm not going to ask for a suite yet. I'm going to see what room they give me first. I'm sure whatever they assign me would be fine for me, but my daughter's visiting me from Connecticut, and I really kind of want to have a special room for us tonight. I usually book my rooms through Hard Rock when I have comp rooms, but this time I didn't, so I booked it through a third-party site. I booked the cheapest room just to see what I would get, and I got assigned to the South Tower. Come on in, let me show you around. It's definitely not a bad room. If I was by myself tonight, I would have stayed here and totally enjoyed it. When given the choice, I usually request the North Tower. The South Tower is closer to the casino, the restaurants, and all the action, so it's more requested, and it's very crowded, so that's why I prefer, personally, the North Tower. It's longer of a walk, but I find it a little more VIP, like you're kind of escaping the madness, which I prefer. When I come here with my mother and her sister, my auntie Gloria, I usually stay in the South Tower just because it's easier for them. The rooms themselves are similar in size. I think the North Tower bathroom may be a little bit bigger, but the biggest thing for me is the windows. The windows and the North Tower are really, really nice. The windows here are just typical regular windows. Not bad, but the floor-to-ceiling windows in the North Tower, they're just magnificent. I'm going to be showing them to you very shortly. But staying at the Hard Rock is very fun. When you enter the room, they have music playing already for you. It has lights on. It's a very nice entrance. The colors are neutral with little splashes of color. The lighting is nice. It's really a great room, especially if you can get it for comp. My comps personally everywhere have slowed down. I hope they pick up again now that fall's coming in. Part of my problem is I play everywhere, so I never really build up a big momentum with any particular casino. If you're just finding my channel, my name is Jennifer Sparks and I travel all the time, and I like to make video tours about my stays to help other people make better plans about their upcoming trips. Looking out this window, you can see our next door neighbor, Resorts. You can walk to Resorts on the boardwalk, or it's also connected by an indoor pedestrian walkway. Hard Rock and Resorts is in the middle of the boardwalk, so it's in a really good location. Okay, I've seen enough. I really like this room, but I really want to go get a suite. So we're going to go back down to check in and see what they could do for me. I did it. They offered me the Fillmore suite. I think it was $150, but I went for the bigger one. I think it was $175. A little out of my budget, but I really wanted the nicest one. It's midweek, so the prices I felt were really good because I know this is going to be a fabulous suite. So come join me. I'm really excited to show you the Celebrity Suite at the Hard Rock. When you get off of the elevators in the North Tower, everything's in a big circle. So if your walk feels like it's really long, try going the other way. Your room may be closer to the elevator than you think. Here are my first impressions. I'm pretty excited about this, guys. I went a little over budget with this one. So I hope you enjoyed the tour and stayed to the end of it. When you first walk in, I think it connects to another room over here. This is the North Tower Celebrity Suite. I've stayed in one of these before, but this one's different. It's a corner, and I love it. It's so nice. This is the half bathroom. It is about 2 o'clock. I think it's a Wednesday. It is October 2024. This was an extra $175. I know, ouch. But I'm here with my daughter and you can't just put a price tag on that. You know, she is gonna love this. It has Chromecast on the TV. Oh Oh my gosh, very pretty. And there's more. Where you sleep. There's only one bed. It's one bedroom. There's another TV in here. But my favorite part is the view. It's just gorgeous. Look at these floor to ceiling windows. I mean, oh my gosh. I don't know if you could even quite understand how beautiful that is. Look at the water's like all sparkly. Okay, now the bathroom's really nice too. Sorry if this is fast. I told my daughter I'd go check in, and she's over at Flagship resting. She cannot hang like me. She's like, I can't believe you do this. You move every day. And I'm like, yep, that's what I do. I do that because I like it. I love getting a new room. This shower is so nice. But look at this tub, would you? It's got a little jacuzzi here. It is really large. Not as large as the one in the Fiore suite. Is I think bigger than that one. Yeah, it's probably a little bigger, but it's really nice. It has a double sink over here. And you have to see this, toilet's over there. Yeah, I'm sorry. I moved to 3 different hotels today. I'm at a loss of words. This is a closet. Wow. Impressive. I give this room a 5-star. No, I give it a 10-star. It's really nice. I don't think I'm going to leave the room today. In fact, I think I'm just going to move in here. Yeah, I'm just going to stay here all week. They did give me a 12 o'clock checkout, which was really nice. I did eventually leave, though. It was so sad. Other nice features were the wet bar with the fridge. There is so much I like about this room. I mean, the design is beautiful, but I also love just the way it's decorated. The pops of color, the pillows, it feels so pretty. There's even flowers. They're not real, but it's such a nice touch. It feels very luxurious. This is my second stay in the Celebrity Suite at Hard Rock. My other suite I had was not like this. It was more like 2 rooms that were together with a bathroom. It was really nice, but this one being on a corner is really great. So if you are gonna get a Celebrity Suite, make sure you ask for one of these at check-in on the corner. It is much nicer. It was even extra special because I had my daughter with me. I usually travel alone, so it's wonderful when she comes to visit me. When I get the opportunity to stay in these amazing places and I'm by myself, it's kind of like, gosh, I wish somebody was here to experience this too. When you stay at Hard Rock, you have the beach, the boardwalk, so many great restaurants, the casino, but we barely left the room. That's why I kind of don't even feel bad about spending the extra money, because I would have spent that money in the casino easily. Now I'm going to go pick up my daughter at Flagship. That's where I stay and I reside when I come to Atlantic City for a long period of time. It becomes like my residence where I can unpack, and I stay there on nights when it's really expensive to stay everywhere else. I love it there too because it has a patio with the sliding glass door and you can hear the ocean. You can't find that in casino hotels in Atlantic City. Here are Sky's first impressions. She was pretty happy with this. Sky is my firstborn. I also have a daughter named Star as well. We spent the evening catching up with Dancing with the Stars. It was 80s hair metal night, so appropriate for Hard Rock. We ordered some snacks from room service. We just got like chips and guacamole, and it was like a hummus plate. We were planning on going out to dinner later, but we never did. We were having so much fun in the room. If you want to see more videos about Hard Rock or Atlantic City, I'll leave some playlists at the end of this video, including what to do in a day in Atlantic City. Like the Steel Pier, for example. What a beautiful view. We also had a view of Ocean Hotel. I'm going to take you on a big adventure to go get coffee and something to eat because we're really hungry. It's the next morning. The only thing about North Tower, it is a little bit of a drag to go get coffee in the morning. It's a little bit far of a walk, but I think it's worth it. It's beautiful. Even Sky, it was her first time here, was just like, wow, this is so nice. She was really impressed walking down this hallway and seeing, artifacts of Stevie Nicks and Katy Perry and Lady Gaga. She was like, wow, this is really cool. The further you walk down, you're going to pass the South Tower elevators. Like I said before, these are a lot closer to the casino restaurants, but they tend to be a little bit busier. During Sky's trip to Atlantic City, we also went to the Tropicana and spent a night in a 2-bedroom suite in the North Tower. Look for that video coming out soon. We had a very nice time there as well, but I believe she really liked Hard Rock better. I was really hoping to show her more of Atlantic City, but there's always next time. There's so much to see here, and everywhere you stay, it's a whole different experience. But Hard Rock is one of my favorite places to stay. I have 3. 3 that I really love that I always am so excited to go to. And Hard Rock is one of them. Can you guess the other 2? Where do you like to stay when you go to Atlantic City? I would love to hear from you. We are going to grab coffee and a to-go breakfast at Alexia's. We split an egg and cheese croissant and a blueberry muffin, and they were yummy. We brought it back to our suite and enjoyed watching TV for the morning and this beautiful view. This right here, this is the biggest difference between Las Vegas and Atlantic City. I am a huge fan of Las Vegas, but it's tourism everywhere. Over here, it's tourism on the left, and on the right, you have nature. It's beautiful, and I love it. Here are some more video tours for you to explore about Atlantic City and all the different resorts and things to do. But whatever you do, make sure you book that trip and you pack your bags and you go. Atlantic City is awesome, and you deserve to be here. This is your host, Jennifer Sparks. Be well to yourself and kind to others. Safe travels to you, and good luck in the casinos.